How to use your Telegram business analytics. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application and go to your business account. Then you want to simply tap on the triple lines menu on the top left and simply go ahead and select settings. Then you want to scroll down and tap on business settings and look for statistics. Simply go ahead and tap on it and you can see a quick overview of the key metrics for the selected period. You can also check your growth analytics. So you can go to growth tab to track subscribers and member activity, and you can also view engagement analytics, so you can check engagement to see reaction, comments, and even shares. You can also simply go ahead and analyze your post performance by opening the post tab to see top performing posts. You can also export your analytics by simply going to the export icon, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment